But of course, what may surprise some people in the global south who sympathize with Imran Khan is how quickly it's not just the State Department, Antony Blinken, who, of course, is saying it's too early to say about the election and hasn't really commented about the alleged persecution and vote rigging that's occurred in the elections. Raisi of Iran, Putin of Russia, Xi Jinping, they've been meeting with officials that are part of the, I suppose, coup government of Pakistan, as you would describe them. Why is it you're not getting more support from, like was, of course, Imran Khan in Moscow when the events began against him and overthrew him? Why is it Putin, Xi Jinping, Iran, they're talking to the new coup government? They don't seem overly concerned about Imran Khan's situation.
I think I've shown the sad reality of today's economic world. We don't live in diplomatic times other than the current trauma that is happening in Gaza and the trauma that is unfolding in Palestine, where the neo-colonialism still lives and Europeans are ruling Palestine. And Europeans have decided that this is their home because it was promised to them 2,000 years ago. The Europeans that didn't even bother reading their own book while they lived in Europe and suddenly discovered they were of a separate faith when they moved to Palestine, and the Nakba happened and the kind of trauma that Palestine has been suffering since 1947. I think the world has become essentially economically polarized. So regardless of what Narendra Modi does in India to Muslims or to Dalits or to Christians or to the burning of churches, nobody will take note in Western capitals because it's an economic partner. So the world has become quite amoral, immoral where money is concerned, and so where the money flows, the concern will go. In Pakistan, we're a poor country, made poorer in the last 2 years by this sickening coalition of the thieves, as we call it, Ali Baba and his 40 thieves. So, of course, if our own don't care, why would a foreign country care to intervene? And not every other country is like Donald Lu's administration, Biden administration, that they would choose to destabilize Pakistan. We are sleeping in the bed that we made for ourselves. And that is the scary part, that the Pakistani public is suffering, the Pakistani average person is suffering, the average Joe is suffering. Why should China care? Why should Putin care if Pakistanis don't care about themselves?